Everyone here knows that I fell first. But what they don't know are the late night chismisan because it's so hard to say goodnight. They don't know that I prayed to God na kung di rin lang naman magiging tayo sa huli, wag na lang niya hayaan na mahulog ka rin sa akin. Naging classmates kami since high school, first year, that was 2006, matagal na. And then, crush ko talaga siya. Tapos, alam ng buong classroom na crush ko siya. Nagkalat yun. Tapos, naging friends kami. Tapos, sabi ko, i-close ko siya kasi baka sakali mawala yung feeling.
First, marriage is special. A contract that's gonna bind you, not just for a time, but it's going to bind you both for as long as you both shall live. It says here, it is a permanent union. That's why in court the other day, I rendered my sentence to you both for a lifetime of happiness together as husband and wife.
Nag-meet me ni Twinkle high school. Classmate me since high school, first year high school. Tapos, naging kami nung college.
Looking back sa 14 years natin na pagsasama, napaka-satisfied and saya ko sa naging relationship natin. Galing sa mga tawagan natin sa madaling araw, hanggang sa mga challenges natin sa ating relationship. You've been more than just a partner. You've always been my other half.
First, siguro talaga is yung attitude. Attitude talaga. As a person, ano siya, yung someone na i-look up mo. Matured siya para sa age niya. And marami akong natutunan talaga sa kanya as a person. I think isa siya sa mga naging factors kung bakit ako ganito ngayon.
Sa ako nagustuhan siya, syempre, kay baba mo na siya. Pero ang main ano talaga is loving and caring talaga yan siya. Salamat dahil sa pag-adto guys sa among kasal na ako'y small token diri para ihatag sa inyo ha. Kaya sige, kani diri na side. Kana iulit po na dito. Hatag po na pasa dito.
First of all, thank you so much guys. Mga auntie, mga baby. Nadama yung malaking baby, no? So thank you for agreeing na maging bridesmaid ko. Especially si Maika, last minute. No, so, thank you so much kasi hindi to magiging ganito kasaya kung wala kayo. And of course, kayo talaga yung napili kasi you played a big part sa, sa life ko.
Everyone's trying to put into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open. The story comes alive when we look inside. A new adventure, there in your eyes, there in your eyes. It's just beginning.
Hindi nila alam na nagkakaroon ako ng insomnia pag di ka tumatawag. At hindi din nila alam that you had to set up an alarm at 2 a.m. every morning para lang makatawag sa akin. But they also don't know how easy LDR was because we never imagined looking the other way. There's so much that they don't know, and from this day forward, there will be so much more of our story that only you and I will know.
The bond we have shared stood the test of time and distance and turned into an unbreakable connection. We have learned na love is not just a feeling or an emotion. Kailangan niya ng commitment, devotion, at pati na rin ng effort.
When we look inside, there in your eyes, it's just beginning. Feel your heartbeat faster. Reach out and find your happily ever after. Find your
Ito na talaga yun ang ginahantay natin for a very long time. Plus, ngayon, kasala na talaga tayo. And we will have a new beginning, a new chapter sa life natin. I will always love you and thank you very much for everything.
Yeah. Hindi pa. Yeah. This is it. Nandito na tayo. We waited for a long time. Thank you for waiting. Walang certainty kung anong mangyari in the future, but one thing I'm certain of is I will choose to stay by your side now and forever. And I will love you in all the ways that I know how in this life and in the hereafter. Love you.
find your happily ever after.